Have you registered your seat yet for the Be Extraordinary Bootcamp? And if the answer is no, listen, I forgive you. You can still click the link and register right now. It doesn't cost you anything. This is going to be a 30-minute intensive training to help you determine where you are now in your life, both personally and professionally, as well as where it is you want to go and what action steps you need to take starting today in order to make that a reality. This masterclass is on Thursday, June 24th at 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. This 30 minutes will be the most important 30 minutes you spend this month and maybe even this year, because we're going to dive deep and obtain clarity for what it is you want to achieve. With so much uncertainty and frustration and even pain in the world right now, feed your mind and get around other people who are doing the same, because that's how you get results and that's how you get to where it is you want to get to. So click the link in the description, register for your free seat at the Be Extraordinary Masterclass. I'll see you there.